Let's talk about Hindupur, a city in the Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh, India. It's part of the Rayalaseema region and sits near the border of Karnataka state. Think of it as a neighbour to Bangalore, about 80 kilometres away and about 100 kilometres from Amaravati, the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Now imagine a place where the sun shines brightly most of the year. That's Hindupur. It has a dry and semi-arid climate, meaning it doesn't rain a lot. This hot and dry weather affects everything from the types of crops grown to how buildings are built. Being near Karnataka has given Hindupur a unique blend of Telugu and Kannada cultures. You'll see it in the language, the food, and the traditions of its people. And because it's so close to bustling Bangalore, many people looking for a quieter life are choosing to call Hindupur home. This mix of history, culture, and nature makes Hindupur a truly special place, with something to offer everyone from ancient temples to lively markets. Hindupur has a history as rich and vibrant as its culture. The city's name is believed to be connected to Hinduism, possibly coming from Lord Vishnu. Over the centuries, Hindupur has been a part of many different kingdoms and empires. It was once a part of the mighty Vijayanagara Empire and later became a part of the Mysore Kingdom. During the British Raj, the East India Company ruled over it. This diverse past has shaped the city into what we see today. Today, most people in Hindupur speak Telugu and practice Hinduism. The city's culture is deeply rooted in Hindu customs and rituals, evident in the many festivals celebrated throughout the year. Hindupur is a beautiful example of how different cultures and influences can come together, making it a unique and special place. The people of Hindupur take pride in their heritage and are dedicated to preserving their traditions for future generations. Hindupur is home to some truly stunning temples. These temples are at the heart of the city's religious and cultural life. One such temple is the Chandramuleshwara temple, an ancient temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. Known for its traditional South Indian architecture, this temple draws in many worshippers, especially during festivals like Mahashivaratri. Then there's the Pattabhirama temple, dedicated to Lord Rama. Surrounded by peace and tranquility, this temple is famous for its intricate carvings. But Hindupur isn't just about temples, it's also a city brimming with talented artisans who create beautiful handicrafts. The city has a long and proud tradition of crafts like woodwork, sculpture, and furniture making. One craft that stands out is kalamkari, a type of hand-painted or block-printed cotton textile. The designs often depict scenes from Hindu mythology. These handicrafts are not only beautiful to look at, but also provide a source of income for many families in Hindupur. The temples and handicrafts of Hindupur are a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage, attracting visitors from all over India and the world. Agriculture is the backbone of Hindupur's economy. The land surrounding the city is fertile and perfect for growing various crops. Groundnuts, sunflowers, chilies, and cotton are the main crops grown here. These crops are not only vital to the local economy, but are also exported to other parts of India. Sugarcane farming is another important agricultural activity. Hindupur is home to several sugar factories that process the harvested sugarcane, providing jobs for a large portion of the population. In recent years, Hindupur has also seen a rise in industrial activity. Small and medium-sized industries are popping up all over the city, including textiles, manufacturing, and handicrafts. This growth is fueled by the availability of labour and the city's closeness to major markets like Bangalore. The government is also doing its part to encourage industrial growth by offering incentives to businesses. Hindupur has a thriving market for agricultural produce and locally made handicrafts. These products are not only popular in the city, but are also sent to other regions. This creates a strong link between the agricultural and industrial sectors, as agriculture provides the raw materials for many industries in Hindupur. The city is steadily becoming a hub for both agriculture and industry, offering a variety of opportunities for its residents. Section 5. Transportation and education. Getting to and from Hindupur is easy, thanks to its well-connected road and rail network. Highways link the city to Bangalore, Anantapur, and other major cities. These well-maintained highways provide smooth travel to and from Hindupur. The Hindupur railway station is another important transportation hub, connecting the city to the vast Indian railway network. With regular trains running to major cities like Hyderabad, Chennai, and Bangalore, traveling for work, business, or leisure is convenient. Within the city, you'll find a good local transportation system. Buses and auto rickshaws are readily available to take you wherever you need to go. Hindupur is also a centre for education, with several institutions catering to the growing student population. Some of the most well-known institutions are the Government Junior College, Sri Siddhartha Engineering College, and Sri Chaitanya College. These institutions offer a range of courses in various fields, from arts and science to engineering and medicine. Students from neighbouring areas are drawn to these institutions, making Hindupur a hub of learning in the region. The government is also investing in improving the educational infrastructure to ensure quality education for everyone. Section 6. Festivals and Celebrations. Hindupur is a city that knows how to celebrate. Throughout the year, the city comes alive with a variety of festivals and celebrations that are a core part of its cultural identity. These festivities bring people together to celebrate their shared heritage. One of the most important festivals is Ugadi, which marks the Telugu New Year. People celebrate Ugadi with great joy and enthusiasm. Homes are decorated with mango leaves and colourful rangoli designs. Special dishes are prepared, and families and friends get together to exchange greetings and blessings. Sankranti, the harvest festival, is another important celebration. It's a time for joy and gratitude. People celebrate by flying kites, having feasts and performing traditional dances. Deepavali, the festival of lights, is celebrated with great fervour. Homes are lit up with diyas, oil lamps and candles. People burst crackers and share sweets. Dussehra, which celebrates the triumph of good over evil, is another significant festival. It's celebrated with processions, temple rituals, and the burning of effigies of the demon king Ravana. These festivals not only showcase the city's vibrant culture, but also provide a boost to the local economy. Businesses thrive during these times due to increased spending. Section 7. Notable personalities. Hindupur is proud to be home to several notable personalities who have made significant contributions in different fields. One such personality is Nandamuri Balakrishna, a renowned actor and politician. Balakrishna is a prominent figure in the Telugu film industry, having acted in over 100 films and garnering a huge fan following. He's also involved in politics and currently represents Hindupur as a member of the Legislative Assembly. Balakrishna is the son of N.T. Rama Rao, a legendary figure in the Telugu film industry and former Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. His family holds a strong influence in the region, and Balakrishna continues to carry forward their legacy. Known for his philanthropic activities, Balakrishna is dedicated to the development of Hindupur. His contributions to the entertainment industry and his political career have put Hindupur on the map. His popularity and influence have helped highlight the issues faced by the people of Hindupur and have brought greater attention to the city's needs. Section 8. Potential and Growth. Hindupur is a city brimming with potential. Its strategic location, rich cultural heritage, and growing economy make it an attractive destination for investment and growth. The city's proximity to Bangalore, a major IT hub and one of India's fastest-growing cities, gives it a competitive edge. This proximity provides access to a large market and a skilled workforce. Hindupur also benefits from its well-developed infrastructure, including good roads, rail connectivity, and a reliable power supply. The government is also actively involved in promoting Hindupur's growth. It has launched several initiatives to attract investment in sectors like manufacturing, tourism, and education. The city's young and growing population is a valuable asset for future growth. With its rich cultural heritage, Hindupur has the potential to become a major tourist destination. The city can leverage its historical temples, traditional handicrafts, and proximity to natural attractions like Nandi Hills to draw in tourists. Hindupur stands at a crossroads of tradition and modernity. It's a city that takes pride in its past while embracing the opportunities of the future. With its potential for growth and development, Hindupur is all set to become a major urban centre in Andhra Pradesh.